Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn and write simple present tense. Let's begin. Number 1. I eat an apple. Number 2. She plays with a ball. Number 3. He drinks milk. Number 4. They go to school. Number 5. We read books. Number 6. You sing a song. Number 7. The sun rises. Number 8. Birds fly in the sky. Number 9. My cat sleeps on the bed. Number 10. I like ice cream. Number 11. I walk to the park. Number 12. He writes a letter. Number 13. She watches TV. Number 14. We play cricket. Number 15. They eat rice. Number 16. You help your friend. Number 17. The dog runs fast. Number 18. My mother cooks food. Number 19. It rains a lot. Number 20. I brush my teeth. Thanks for watching.